Hey, welcome. Today, we're going to peel back the curtain on the technology that just makes our digital lives work. All those silent conversations happening behind the scenes every single time you use an app. We're going to dive into how they work and why they matter so much. So, picture this. You've spent hours setting up a huge online event. You click that final Create Event button, and then just silence. Crickets. You get that sinking feeling, right? Did it actually work? Are the invites going out? Who knows? And look, that silence, it's not just a small annoyance. It's genuinely stressful. When software doesn't talk back to us, it chips away at our trust. We're left totally in the dark, wondering if we messed up or if the whole system is just broken. Okay, so this is where a system like the Calendar Invite Server, or CIS, becomes the hero of the story. Its entire job is to break that stressful silence. It's built from the ground up to be proactive, to reach out and keep you updated on everything, your event status, any changes, reports, all through automated emails. Honestly, the best way to think about it is like having your own personal event concierge. It's this super helpful assistant working quietly in the background, making sure you're always in the loop. It knows what you're worried about and gives you the answers before you even have to ask. You're just never left guessing. All right, let's take a little tour of how this all works in practice. We'll start with what we call the happy path, that perfect scenario where every single click does exactly what it's supposed to do. So our journey kicks off the second you sign up. You fill out the form, hit submit, and you're officially enrolled in the service. Now, this is one of those first make or break moments where clear communication is absolutely crucial. And boom, right away, the CIS sends you a successful enrollment email. And this isn't just a generic thanks for signing up. It's so much more. It's proof that your account is live and working, which gives you that instant peace of mind. It even gives you helpful links to documentation so you can get started right away. It completely flips that initial uncertainty into confidence. All right, so you're in the system and you're ready to go. Now for the main event, literally. You follow the steps, you set up your first big webinar, and you hit create. Success. But how do you really know it worked? Well, this is how. You get the new event notification email. This is your instant proof. It gives you a unique event ID to confirm it's real, and even better, a direct link to manage it. So it doesn't just tell you it worked, it immediately puts you in the driver's seat. But life isn't always a happy path. Things go wrong. And honestly, a well-designed system really shows its true colors when it helps you navigate those bumps in the road. That all comes down to communicating clearly when there's a problem. And this is a fantastic example of that. Instead of some vague, generic error message for everything, CIS sends specific, actually helpful emails. So on the left, if you hit your event limit, it doesn't just say no. It tells you why and points you toward an upgrade. On the right, if there's a technical glitch, it clearly states the error and suggests a simple fix, like just trying again. It's all about respecting your time. And this quote just nails it. A great error message isn't a dead end, it's a guide. It helps you understand what happened and what to do next. It's such a small detail, but it makes a massive difference in keeping you from getting totally frustrated and giving up. But this system is designed to do way more than just give you simple status updates. The real goal here is to take basic information and transform it into powerful, actionable insights that can actually help you succeed. So let's say you've sent out all the invites for your event, and you see this number, 1,200 invites sent. That feels pretty good, right? It's a nice, big number. But what does that number actually mean? Who opened the invite? Who said yes? Who's actually going to show up? On its own, 1,200 is just data. It's not insight. To really understand how your event is doing, you need way more context. And that is exactly what the attendee report notification is for. This email gives you the real story. It delivers real data on what your attendees are doing. It comes with an attached CSV file, basically a simple spreadsheet that you can dig into. And most importantly, it guides you on how to actually use that data. It turns that big, vague number into a crystal clear picture of who's actually engaging with your event. So let's zoom out for a second. What's the big takeaway from all this? Well, it really all comes down to the power of thoughtful, user-focused design. You can actually break down this whole communication system into a simple but really powerful 4-step recipe for building trust. Step 1, acknowledge what the user just did. Step 2, give them a clear status, success or fail.
Step 3, guide them on what to do next. And finally, Step 4, help them turn their raw data into something truly valuable.
And that's really the heart of it. This shows us that great design isn't just about a pretty interface or some slick animations. It's about these silent, thoughtful conversations happening in the background. It's about building systems that anticipate our needs, respect our time, and make technology feel less like a cool tool and more like a helpful partner. It's a really cool idea when you think about it. So next time you're using an app that just feels right, take a second. What are those silent conversations that are happening just below the surface, making your whole experience that much better? Thanks so much for joining me today to explore this.